Hey y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you the details of this unit really quick. This is IDN Natural. They sent me over a curly bob. I wanted to do the unboxing with you just to show you the cuticles of the hair as well as the scalp. Very natural, already bleached knots, so you're not having to do anything to it. Here is the parting. Here's the print. Pre-plucked and bleached. You have adjustable strap to make it glueless. You have 2 combs in the front, 1 at the nape of the neck. Let's go ahead with the inside.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying
good, baby.
Yeah, or not.
Looking good.
It was just a misunderstanding.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of the video. So today, I Define Natural sent me over this very curly bob. I really like the unit because it's natural. You guys asked for some very natural options, and I want to make sure I was giving you that. It can be glueless, so that way that it can just be grab, apply, and go. Again, it's 13x4 frontal with 180% density, 14 inches. It's natural black, and it's a melt HD clean hairline, no needing to pluck, clean bleached knots. Okay, and it's a bob. I really like it. You guys know that I really like a natural look. I don't like it when my unit is too off base. I'm real old school, but I am trying to get into having a little bit more color, so stay tuned for that. If you want any more of the details, or if you want the discount, get down below in the description box. I do have a code. I believe it is JOY20, so that way you can save if you decide to go over and shop IDN Hair. Again, thank you IDN Hair for collaborating with this video. Beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Other than I got too much lip gloss on, let me know down below in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video.
I wanna ride.